In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to make Apple Watch SE always on display. The always on feature, which keeps the watch face and time visible even when your wrist is down, is not available on the Apple Watch Series SE. To make the screen stay on longer when you tap to wake it, you can adjust the wake duration settings in the display and brightness settings, and here's how to do it. Just press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here scroll down, tap on wake duration, and here we can see wake for 15 seconds currently selected. So here we can select wake for 70 seconds, and that's how we can actually make it. And in SE series, here is no option to turn on always on display. Thanks for watching.